If your makeup routine feels more like a chore than a charm, you're not alone. Many of us have been there, standing in front of the mirror, feeling overwhelmed by the sheer number of products and tools at our disposal. The foundation, the concealer, the blush, the highlighter, it can all feel like too much. But what if I told you there's a way to simplify your routine and still achieve flawless results? Let's blend it up with a little sponge magic. Enter the world of mini makeup sponges, the unsung heroes of the beauty world. These tiny tools might look unassuming, but they pack a punch when it comes to transforming your makeup game. Imagine having a tool that can seamlessly blend your foundation, contour your cheekbones, and even set your powder, all in one go. Meet the Mini Makeup Blender Sponges, not just your average beauty tool, but a game changer in cosmetics since the early 2000s. These sponges have revolutionized the way we apply makeup, making it easier and more efficient. They have become a staple in both professional makeup artists' kits and everyday makeup bags. Their versatility and effectiveness have earned them a permanent spot in the beauty industry. These tiny wonders come in a rainbow of colors, from classic pink to bold black, and are shaped just right to reach every contour of your face. Whether you prefer a pop of color or a more subdued look, there's a mini makeup sponge for you. The variety of colors also makes it easy to assign different sponges for different products, ensuring that your makeup application is always hygienic and precise. Now, whether you're dabbing on foundation or setting powder, there's a shape and a size for that. The beauty of mini makeup sponges lies in their adaptability. They come in various shapes and sizes, each designed to tackle a specific task. From the smallest crevices around your nose to the broad planes of your cheeks, there's a mini sponge that can handle it all. This means you can achieve a flawless finish without needing a dozen different tools. The teardrop design is perfect for under-eye coverage, allowing you to reach those tricky areas with ease. The pointed tip fits perfectly into the inner corners of your eyes, ensuring that your concealer is blended seamlessly. No more creases or uneven coverage, just a smooth, flawless finish that brightens your entire face. While the Sculptor shape ensures your contouring is on point, the flat edge of the Sculptor sponge is ideal for creating sharp, defined lines, while the rounded side helps to blend them out for a natural look. Whether you're a contouring novice or a seasoned pro, this sponge makes it easy to achieve a chiseled, sculpted appearance. But here's a splash of humor for you. Ever tried cleaning these little guys? It can feel like organizing a bath time for your mini pets. Despite their small size, mini makeup sponges can hold a surprising amount of product, which means they need regular cleaning to stay in top shape. But don't worry, with the right technique, cleaning them can be quick and easy. It's like organizing a bath time for your mini pets. Just a dab of soap and warm water, and you're good to go. Gently squeeze the sponge under running water until it runs clear, then let it air dry. It's a simple process that ensures your sponges are always ready for action. Plus, there's something oddly satisfying about watching all the makeup wash away, leaving your sponges looking fresh and new. Just a dab of soap and warm water, and voila! They're ready to bounce back into action, fresher than a new episode of your favorite sitcom. Clean sponges not only perform better, but also help to keep your skin healthy by preventing the buildup of bacteria. So, make it a habit to clean your sponges regularly. Your skin will thank you for it. They're ready to bounce back into action, fresher than a new episode of your favorite sitcom. And the best part? Clean sponges mean better makeup application. You'll notice a difference in how smoothly your products go on and how long they last. It's a small step that can make a big difference in your overall makeup routine. So next time you pick up a mini makeup blender sponge, remember? It's not just about the makeup. It's about making every application a mini adventure. Embrace the fun and creativity that comes with using these versatile tools. Experiment with different techniques, try out new looks, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Makeup is an art form, and mini makeup sponges are your brushes. Use them to create your masterpiece. It's about making every application a mini adventure. Whether you're getting ready for a big event or just doing your everyday makeup, let these sponges be your guide. They make the process more enjoyable and less stressful, allowing you to focus on what really matters, feeling confident and beautiful in your own skin. So go ahead, blend it like a pro, and discover the magic of mini makeup sponges.